Hello, College Algebra. I hope this video finds you well. The purpose of this video is to take a short moment to show you how to, 1, get into Seesaw, and 2, start to do some work in Seesaw, as this will be the app that I'll be using to collect your homework while we are away from our classroom. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you want to download that app. The app, again, is called Seesaw, and you can see it right in the middle of my screen. You want to make sure that you download the class app, not the family or anything like that, but the class app will get you all the good stuff that you'll need to upload your work. Once you have that app downloaded, you'll see that I'm in the Activities tab right now. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is probably get into this screen. I sent you an email, I think it was on the 19th, about how to actually get in using your student Gmail, but I was going to go ahead and just show that to you again now. If you'd like to go ahead and pause the video so that you can take a moment to catch up with all this information. This will get you into our class. Again, you're only logging in with your student Gmail that was given to you by the school district. So please make sure you do that and not your personal email address because I don't think it works if you use your personal one. So go ahead and pause it. All right, and now that you're in, you can go ahead and click on, let me get out of here for a second. You can go ahead and click on the Activities tab again, and you'll see that you have your first assignment sitting there waiting for you. And it looks exactly like the worksheet that I did upload to Google Classroom. This is super important. You're going to go ahead and click on Add a Response. And I'm going to be a sample student. And you have two options, so I'm going to show you both. Okay, option 1. If you are a pencil and paper type of person, I feel ya. It took me a while to get used to writing on a screen, and even then I need a special stylus. So if you don't want to write on the screen, that is completely fine with me. I did give you some extra space, though, if you wanted to kind of, go ahead and do some work, draw some stuff, all that good stuff on here. A couple pages of space to give you some elbow room to get your groove on over there. And then you'll see the fourth page is some worked out responses from me. I didn't upload the work to the last two problems just because I wanted you to give them a try on your own. But you can, of course, email me with questions. But back to the worksheet. If you don't want to write in the app, you don't have to. You can click on the little camera button, and you can simply either take a picture of your work or upload your work from your photos. And it'll appear there on the screen. So just make sure you click all the pictures so that I can see all of that work. But that's an option for you. The other thing you could do is just write right on the worksheet. I know some of you like to do that. You'll notice that right now it looks quite small. So if you wanted to zoom, it's a little weird in this app. You don't pinch or anything like that, but you hit that little magnifying glass at the top. And then if I want to zoom in, I can go ahead and do that and then just move the square to the region I kind of want to zoom in on. So if I wanted to get to that first problem there, I could zoom into that point there. So that is how you can zoom, and then you can, grab the pencil and, maybe even take a second to start simplifying the square root of 8 there. It breaks down into 4 times 2, and you square root each piece. So we got 2 root 2, and then you'd be multiplying, give you a little color, you'd be multiplying this square root of 2 right here by this square root of 22 here, and then simplifying. Ultimately, you would get the answer that's on that page right there. 4 square roots of 11 is what you would come up with. So I just wanted to show you that you can definitely just do it right on the worksheet using that zoom feature. But it is your call completely. When you're done and you're feeling good about it, you're just going to hit that green check mark right there. And it'll upload it, and what is cool is that I can release it so that you can start to look at each other's work, and then on my end what I can see is just all of your responses just kind of gathered in one quick little spot. So That'll be a nice place for me to just quickly look at your work and make sure that you're on the right track. So I hope